You're watching V8X, where power meets perfection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the all-new Scania Desert 6x6 2025, a true revolution in the world of luxury motorhomes, built for those who believe that comfort should travel anywhere. Standing tall in its matte army green finish, the 2025 Scania Desert 6x6 commands presence like no other. Its sculpted front fascia, massive grille, and signature Scania emblem tell a story of strength and sophistication. The LED headlights cut through the scene with a confident glow, while chrome accents shimmer gently under the light. From the front to the side, every line flows with precision, a fusion of Scandinavian minimalism and American power. The panoramic windows stretch gracefully along its body, reflecting open skies and wide landscapes, as if the vehicle itself was born to roam. Move to the rear, and you'll find an aerodynamic tail, futuristic LED light bars, and rugged off-road detailing that hint at adventure beyond the city limits. The entire stance feels unstoppable, 6 massive wheels ready to conquer deserts, highways, or mountain trails with effortless grace. Step inside, and the tone shifts from bold to breathtaking. The cockpit welcomes you with an ultra-modern dashboard, a panoramic windshield, and leather captain seats sculpted for all-day journeys. The steering wheel feels solid, precise, every motion, every command effortless. Beyond the cabin, the interior unfolds into a masterpiece of design and serenity. The living lounge glows under warm golden light, lined with fine leather sofas, wooden flooring, and LED contours that give the space a cinematic ambience. The dining area feels like a boutique restaurant, glass table, polished steel finishes, and soft lighting that turns every meal into an experience. In the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, smooth cabinetry, and illuminated countertops bring both function and luxury to the road. And finally, the master bedroom, your sanctuary, designed with plush bedding, textured walls, and soft ambient light wrapping everything in peace. On the road, the 2025 Scania Desert 6x6 drives with a quiet confidence. Its advanced suspension and torque-rich engine absorb every imperfection, delivering a ride that's smooth, silent, and powerful. Built for America's open highways, this is a motorhome that moves like a dream, stable, strong, and composed. Priced well above the $1 million mark, it stands proudly among the world's elite luxury RVs. This is the Scania Desert 6x6 2025, the ultimate expression of comfort, innovation, and freedom on wheels. You're watching V8X, your gateway to the world's most extraordinary machines. Like, share, and subscribe for more.